Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve question answer from the page number 102, and this is under CBSE Standard 9 syllabus from the chapter Motion. So first question is distinguish between speed and velocity. So here we have to write the difference between speed and velocity. So what is a speed? Speed is distance traveled by an object in given interval of time. So we know that what is speed? Speed equals to distance by time. So that is our speed. Now what is velocity? Velocity is displacement of a body in a given interval of time. So velocity is our displacement by time. So that is velocity. Now here the second point is speed of an object can be positive or zero. Either it is at resting position or it is speeding or it is accelerating. So that is speed can be positive or zero. But velocity of an object can be positive, negative or zero. Now one more point, if we want to write, then we can write that speed is a scalar quantity whereas velocity is a vector quantity. The second question is, under what condition is the magnitude of average velocity of an object equals to its average speed? So when average velocity will be equal to average speed. So when the total distance equals to total displacement. When distance and displacement will be same, at that time both magnitude will be same. Why? Because speed equals to distance by time and velocity equals to displacement by time. So when these two quantity will be same, at that time speed and velocity will be same, because here is the difference of distance and displacement. So when this both are equal, that if object has started from this point and it has reached this point, so here if it is 5 km, then here distance is also same and displacement is also same. In that case, speed and velocity, magnitude of these two will be same. That 5 km distance, 5 km displacement. Third question is, what does the odometer of an automobile measure? So it measures distance. It measures the total travel of a vehicle, and per trip distance also it will record. So odometer measures distance of automobile. So hope this video has solved your doubt. In coming videos we are going to learn many more important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, Learn Yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.